These three simple evening rituals completely transform my sleep quality and how I end each day. I'm going to show you exactly how they work. The difference in how I feel is night and day, and it only takes 30 minutes.
I remember it was like yesterday. The city traffic was busy. People were rushing around. Work was crazy. It was like constant deadlines, pressure, headaches. Wait, ever feel like your mind can't stop racing even after you left work behind? Like the weight of the day was following you home? I'm Jay, and these simple evening rituals have completely changed how I end my days. Let me show you how they work. Let's start where the tension lives, right here and here and here. This chamomile mask is the perfect reset button between work and relaxation. You'll need chamomile tea bags, honey, and a creamy base like milk or aloe vera gel. The magic happens when these simple ingredients combine. Notice how even the preparation becomes a ritual. The scent of chamomile already signals to your body it's time to slow down. As you apply this to your skin, take 3 deep breaths. Feel the cooling sensation. This isn't just skincare, it's permission to pause. While this sits for 10 minutes, I'll share the second ritual that pairs perfectly with this moment of stillness. Feel that? That's the weight of the day beginning to lift, and we're just getting started. While the mask works its magic, let's prepare something that will engage all of your senses. This isn't just tea, it's a sensory getaway to calm. Lavender and chamomile blend perfectly here. The warmth between your palms, the aroma rising with the steam, each element is designed to bring you into the present moment. I like to find a spot where I can see the moon or stars if possible. Notice how different your body feels now compared to when we started. That tension in your shoulders, it's beginning to dissolve. The ancient practice of moon gazing while sipping tea connects us to something larger than our daily concerns. Feel your breathing deepen. Our final ritual requires no artistic skill, just willingness to let colors express what words sometimes can't. I like to choose colors that represent my day, perhaps blues for challenges, yellows for moments of joy. Let them blend without trying to control the outcome. This is where the magic happens, when we release the need for perfection. What you've created isn't just art, it's a visual release of your day. Notice how different you feel from when we started this journey together. These 3 simple rituals, physical, sensory, and mental, create a powerful transition from day to evening. They don't require much time, but they completely transform how you experience the rest of your night. From the chamomile mask that releases physical tension, to the moonlight tea that engages your senses, to the watercolor journaling that quiets your mind. I'd love to know which of these rituals you're most excited to try. Comment below and let me know how they worked for you. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more mindful living practices. Until next time, remember that peace isn't something you find, it's something you create, one small ritual at a time.